Top-rated lightweight compact BIKELOCK. Best lightweight folding bike lock. Portable solid key bike lock protects bicycle. No code. Strong equipment for city outdoor urban cycling. Bolt cutter drill saw proof. 3-year warranty bike locks heavy-duty anti-theft. Patented ultra-secure hardened waterproof weatherproof bicycle protector for peace of mind with anti-tamper rivets. Multi-locking guard system stops thieves. Bike lock with key secure protection. Pro kit accessories set. Master keys easy carry case holder. Flexible foldable bicycle locks open to 85 cm chain link circumference. Locks to stands racks bars. Premium frame mount lock for quiet ride. No rattle. Heavy-duty bike lock mounting bracket accessory for mountain road sports standard bikes scooters for silent gear. 2020 European Design Award winner. Smart bike lock with combination of maximum anti-theft security quality. Lock for bike for safe cycles outside. Sold Secure silver safety tool. Top reviews from the United States. Simple, well-engineered, super strong lock. I was sick of the steel cable locks that had the combinations on them, and I know that thieves can just use big wire cutters to get through those quickly. This lock is hefty and well-engineered, and once you get it in your hand, you know it's gonna lock and protect your bike, in my case, an electric scooter. You get 3 keys, and you can even register a special code with CT Lock that enables you to reorder keys specifically for your lock should you ever lose all 3. Who else does that? Once you easily attach the lock holder on your bike, scooter, the lock compactly stows in there ready to go for whenever you need to lock up your bike, scooter. I love that it's a real key too, and not a combination. It makes it super simple and fast to lock and unlock. I couldn't be happier getting this to protect my scooter.